Live Ultimate Sports Cards bringing you box 2 of 4 Ultimate Collection case break. Fire away. Or should I say slice away.
Your price.
Come on. This is just another form of gambling while living in Las Vegas, man. You don't get a free buffet, but you get some nice stuff. Bob Shrimp. Ooh! Gila Floor number to 25.
That's sweet.
Patch auto. Damn.
That's sweet.
That's your hit.
And Jonathan.
That is a
again.
Hell of a hit, man. It's a 2-color patch with a 1-color jersey, number to 25, Gila Floor. Man, pack number 1 seems to always be the best one out of these, huh? Pack 1 and pack 4. Notice that kind of trend. I don't know if it's coincidental or what. Yager, Andy Green.
Sweet! Yeah!
Oh. Sidney Crosby, Marlon Lemieux, and Gretzky. Oh my God!
Bam!
Oh.
I got nothing.
Bam! Damn!
Holy balls.
Now I'm hot.
That's a holy ball card right there. Oh. Just hurry up and get rid of the rest of this box, man. I mean, come on. I mean, right there. Look at that right there. Box 1, box 2. Number 10 triple patch. Triple patch is an understatement. That is just sick. Another Jaguar, Bobby Ryan. Big Callahan jersey. Yeah, anyway. Last one. Dude, that is just... Oh. That is worthy of this Ultimate Collection brand
hell
right
yeah.
there. That is just sick. He's on the phone telling everybody. Okay, Bobby Hull. Kovalchuk.
That's a good one.
That is nice too.
Cam Ward.
That isn't too bad either. Well, I don't think any kind of closing comments are necessary. Take a look at that. Stay tuned for box 3.